Hello students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajodha, and we are studying class 10th related chapter 5th arithmetic progressions, exercise 5.3 of NCERT. We have done up to question number 8th. It is question number 9th. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, अगर शुरू की 7 टर्म्स का सम एडिशन जो है वो 49 है और 17 टर्म्स का सम, शुरू की 17 टर्म्स का सम जो है वो 289 है, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स. तो हमको फर्स्ट n टर्म्स का सम निकालना है यहाँ पर. तो सबसे पहले हम सॉल्यूशन में लिखेंगे सम ऑफ 7 terms is equal to 49, means here we have to apply formula for n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 49, where n is equal to 7. So it will be 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49, and it will become 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into 2 upon 7. 7 7 are 49. We can take 2 common, or we may write like this only, because in another case also there will be 2a plus somewhat d is equal to 14. It is our equation number 1. Now one more thing, sum of 17 terms is also given. Here we have applied sum of n terms formula, that is here in place of n we have taken 7. हमने n की जगह पर यहाँ पर 7 लिया, क्योंकि सम ऑफ 7 टर्म्स दिया था, तो n इज इक्वल टू 7 लेकर के इसको सॉल्व कर लिया, तो ये एक इक्वेशन बनाई. इसी टाइप से हमको सम ऑफ 17 टर्म्स भी दे रखे हैं. सम ऑफ 17 टर्म्स इज 289. सो वी हैव टू अप्लाई हियर अगेन n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 289. Now in place of n 17 is there, so 17 upon 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. यहाँ n की जगह पर 17 रखा, जैसे यहाँ 7 रखा था और सॉल्व किया था. अब ये जब हम इसको LHS से RHS में ले गए थे तो ये 2/7 हो गया था इंटू में, ऐसे ही यहाँ पर इंटू में 2/17 हो जाएगा RHS में. सो दैट्स वाई इट विल बिकम 2a plus 16d इज इक्वल टू 289 इंटू 2/17. 17 17s are 289, so it will be 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. Now we may solve this first and second equation. It is second equation. So now if we subtract first from second, so second minus first, that will be equal to 2a plus 16d is equal to 34, and 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. If we subtract this, then what will happen? This 2a will be cancelled. 16d minus 6d, that will be equal to 10d is equal to 20, because 4 minus 4 is 0 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So d is equal to 20 upon 10. So 10 2s are 20 and d is equal to 2. On putting in equation, one. If we put the value of d is equal to 2 in equation 1, then it will be 2a plus 6 into 2. 2a plus 6 into 2 is equal to 14, then 2a is equal to 14 minus 12. So 2a is equal to 2 because 6 2 12. ये 6 2 12 जो है इसको LHS से RHS में शिफ्ट किया तो ये माइनस का 12 हो गया. तो 14 minus 12 is 2. So a is equal to 2 upon 2. That will be equal to 2 1 2. So a will be equal to 1. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of sum of n terms. Find the sum of n terms that I am solving here. Sum of n terms is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of n terms. Here n is equal to n only. We know the value of a and d. So on putting value of a and d, value of a and d. So sum of n terms is equal to n by 2, 2 into 1, value of a is 1, plus n minus 1 into, what is the value of d here? Value of d is 2. So into 2 will be there. Now this will become Sn is equal to, we can take 2 common from both the places. So it will become 2n upon 2. Now here it is 1 plus n minus 1. Only this much because 2 we have taken common from these 2 places. यहाँ से 2 common ले लिया हमने तो ये 2n upon 2 हो गया तो ये 2 से 2 cancel हो गया और ये 1 से 1. So sum of n terms is equal to n square then. ये इस तरीके से हम सम ऑफ n टर्म्स कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सबसे पहला पार्ट ये है इस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन में. सबसे पहले आपको ये लिखना है, फिर ये, आफ्टर दैट दिस वन एंड देन दिस वन. दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. सो वी कैन सॉल्व इट इन दिस मैनर. इट इज ओवर. नाउ सी आवर क्वेश्चन 10th. शो दैट a1 a2 an that is dash an and so on form an AP where an is defined as below. जहाँ पर an कैसे डिफाइन किया गया? फर्स्ट केस an is equal to 3 plus 4n and in second case an is equal to 9 minus 5n. ये हमको प्रूव करना है कि ये AP बनाता है. आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो फाइंड द सम ऑफ 15 टर्म्स इन ईच केस. और हर केस में आपने को ये फाइंड करना है कि सम ऑफ 15 टर्म्स कितना है. सो इन सॉल्यूशन फर्स्ट an is equal to 3 plus 4n. So a1 that is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. So it is the first term only which is known as a. So a is equal to 3 plus 4. So a is equal to 7. a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. So it will be equal to a2 is equal to 3 plus 8. So a2 is equal to 11. Now common difference, second term minus first term. तो आपको इसके लिए a3 भी निकालना पड़ेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको प्रूव भी करना है कि AP है. तो आपको पहले a3 निकालना होगा. यहाँ पर a3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. So a3 is equal to 3 plus 12. So a3 is equal to 15. Now see, 11 minus 7 is 4, 15 minus 11 is 4. So because a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to 4. Because a2 minus a1, see, a2 minus a1 that is equal to 11 minus 7. And a3 minus a2 that is equal to 15 minus 11. Both are 4. So what we conclude? If both are 4 means a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to 4. Therefore, it is an AP. ये हमने प्रूव कर दिया. ये हमको प्रूव करना था. वेयर d इज इक्वल टू, और कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना हो गया? वेयर d इज इक्वल टू 4. क्योंकि ये जो कॉमन ये डिफरेंस है ये सेम आया दोनों केसेस में, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये AP है और d की वैल्यू 4 है. अब हमको इसमें क्या निकालना है, सम ऑफ 15 टर्म्स। तो एस एन इज इक्वल टू एन बाई टू 2a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी। तो सम ऑफ 15 टर्म्स इज इक्वल टू 15 बाई 2, 2a मीन्स वॉट, 2 इंटू 7 प्लस 15 माइनस 1. What is common difference? Common difference is 4 here. So it will become as 15 is equal to 15 by 2. 2 into 7 is 14 plus 14 into 4. So it will be equal to as 15 is equal to 15 upon 2 into 14 plus 56. So as 15 is equal to 15 upon 2 into 6 and 4 10, 2 and 5 7. So it will equal to 35. Now as 15 is equal to 15 5 is 75, 5 carry on 7, 15 3 is 45 and 7 52. 527 is the sum of first 15 terms. So this question number first is now over. Now I will explain you second question. Now see second question of 10, it is an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So a1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, that is equal to 9 minus 5, it will be equal to 4. a2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 9 minus 10, so it will be equal to minus 1. Now a3, that is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, it will be equal to 9 minus 15 and then it will be equal to minus 6. Now let us check. a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 1 minus 4, so it will be equal to minus 5. a3 minus a2 is equal to minus 6 minus minus 1, that is equal to minus 6 plus 1, so it is also equal to minus 5, because a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to minus 5, therefore it is an AP. ये AP हुआ. जब ये AP हुआ तो where common difference, where D is equal to what, minus 5. Common difference हमारा minus 5 आया दोनों cases में. Now what we have to do, here this first term is also known as A. Now we can find the sum of n terms. So sum of n terms formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of n terms. Now we can put in place of n 15 because sum of 15 terms in each case is asked. So sum of 15 terms is equal to 15 upon 2, 2 into 15, sorry 2 into a, value of a is 4 plus n minus 1 means 15 minus 1 and value of d is, common difference is minus 5, so we have to multiply here minus 5 and then as 15 is equal to 15 by 2, it will be equal to 8 plus 14 into minus 5, that will be equal to minus 70. So as 15 is equal to 15 upon 2, 8 minus 70. So as 15 is equal to 15 upon 2 into minus 62. So 2, 3 are 6 and 2 1 are 2. This 62 is cancelled. So now sum of 15 terms is equal to 15 1 are 15, carry on 1 and 15 3 are 45 and 1 46. So it will be equal to minus 465. The sum is negative here because common difference is negative here. So that's why it is negative. This question number second is also over of 10. Now see question 11. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, it is given that sum of n terms is 4n minus n square. What is the first term? First term क्या होगी, जिसको कि हम S1 भी बोलेंगे क्योंकि पहली टर्म का ही सम पहली टर्म ही होता है. एक टर्म का सम तो वो फर्स्ट टर्म ही होगा। फिर व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स, शुरू की दो टर्म्स का सम क्या होगा, व्हाट इज द सेकेंड टर्म क्या होगी, और फिर सिमिलरली फाइंड द थर्ड, द टेंथ एंड द nth टर्म्स। और फिर बाद में आपको पता क्या करना है, थर्ड टर्म पता करना है, टेंथ टर्म पता करना है और nth टर्म पता करना है। तो सबसे पहले सम ऑफ n टर्म्स हम यहाँ लिखेंगे सॉल्यूशन में कि सम ऑफ n टर्म्स इज इक्वल टू 4n माइनस n स्क्वायर। नाउ S1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 into 1 minus 1 square, means in place of n 1 is there, n is equal to 1, so we may put S1 here because value of n is 1, n is equal to 1 here, so we may put 1 in place of n, so 4 into 1 minus 1 square, so S1 is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. It is first term also because sum of one term is the first term only. एक टर्म का एडिशन क्या होगा, वो खुद ही पहली टर्म ही है, तो ए की वैल्यू 3 हो गई। इस तरीके से हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं। तो एक आंसर तो हमारा यहाँ आ गया, क्योंकि हमसे पूछा गया था व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, तो दिस इज ओनली द फर्स्ट टर्म बिकॉज दे हैव ऑल्सो रिटन देयर दैट इज S1, फर्स्ट टर्म इज S1 ओनली। What is the sum of first two terms? Sum of first two terms means S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Because what is the second term they have asked? So before finding the second term, let us find out the sum of two term. तो आप अगर अपने से second term पूछी है तो हमको सबसे पहले दो terms का sum निकालना पड़ेगा। तो S2 is equal to 8 minus 4, so S2 is equal to 4। अब मैं आपको एक दूसरी चीज़ सिखाता हूँ कि अगर आपको सेकेंड टर्म निकालनी है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, S2 में से S1 को माइनस करना पड़ेगा। जो यहाँ लिखा है वो यहाँ लिखना है S2 और इससे पहले वाला सम आपको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। तो A2 इज इक्वल टू S2 माइनस S1 मीन्स 4 minus 3 that is equal to 1. This is the sum of, what is the sum of the first two terms? तो sum of first two terms ये दूसरा आंसर हो गया हमारा। एक आंसर हमारा 3 हो गया था, ये पहला आंसर था। हमने दो प्रश्नों के जवाब यहाँ दे दिए। What is the first term? This is the first term because it is S1 also. What is the sum of first two terms? तो sum of first two terms कितना हो गया, 4। What is the second term? तो second term कैसे निकालते हैं, S2 minus S1। तो A2 की वैल्यू जो 1 आई है वो हमारा तीसरा आंसर हो गया। फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड आंसर इट इज। नाउ व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, अप टू हियर वी हैव डन। नाउ सिमिलरली फाइंड द थर्ड, वी हैव टू फाइंड द थर्ड टर्म, 10th term and nth term. So third term, so for third term we have to find S3, 4 into 3 minus 3 square, so it will be 12 minus 9 that is equal to 3. Now what we have to do, for finding the third term we have to write A3 here, so A3 is equal to S3 माइनस S2। S3 में से S2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो A3 आ जाएगा, जैसा कि यहाँ आया था। S2 में से S1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करा तो A2 आया। ऐसे ही A3 निकालना है तो S3 में से S2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो S3 हमारा कितना है, 3 और S2 4, तो 3 minus 4 दैट विल बी इक्वल टू -1। सो A3 इज इक्वल टू -1, इट इज अवर अनदर आंसर। नाउ सी व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, 10th term, so we have to find S10 and S9। 10th term is equal to S10 minus S9। 10th term निकालने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, S10 में से S9 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो A10 आएगा। तो A10 इज इक्वल टू S10 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 4 into 10 minus 10 square, 4 into 10 minus 10 square, और यहाँ पर माइनस लगा करके 4 इंटू 9 माइनस 9 स्क्वायर लिखेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा A10 इज इक्वल टू 40, ये 40 होगा, 40 माइनस 100, 40 माइनस 100 माइनस 36 एंड प्लस 81 because minus into minus is plus. So 40 and 81, 21, sorry 121, 40 and 81 that is equal to 121. So A10 is equal to 121 minus 136, minus 136. So it will be minus 15. So A10 is equal to minus 15. Now what is asked? Nth terms. Find the nth term. So, and for nth term what we have to do? Sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. So, for this we have to write an is equal to sn minus 1. So, an is equal to sum of n terms, it is given already 4n minus n square, 4n minus n square. And in place of Sn minus 1, what we have to write? 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. So, An is equal to 4n minus n square minus 4n minus into minus is plus 4 and then minus n minus 1 whole square. So, after solving this 4n will be cancelled. So, it will be equal to An is equal to 4 minus n square. Here it is minus into minus plus, sorry. This minus into this minus will be equal to plus. What we have done here? This is tough part. Please concentrate again. Sum of n terms, that is given 4n minus n square. It is given. And sum of n minus 1 terms means in place of n what we have to write? N minus 1 in both places. So, it will be 4 into n minus 1 and then minus in place of n minus 1 whole square. So, we can write 4n minus n square minus 4n and minus into minus plus 4, 1s are 4 and then minus into this minus again plus n minus 1 whole square. So, we may apply here a minus b whole square formula. So, it will be n square minus 2n plus 1. A minus b whole square means in place of a n is there. So, n square a की जगह पर हमारे पास n था तो a square minus 2ab means minus 2 into n into 1. 2 into n into 1 is minus 2n and then plus b square means 1 square, that will be equal to 1. So, this n square and n square will be cancelled. Now, what will happen? An means nth term will be equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2n. This is our nth term. So, it is the last answer of this question. And see, we have find A10 because 10th term is also asked. So, this is also our answer. So, these are the answers: first answer, second answer, third, fourth, fifth and then sixth. So, this question number 11th is now over. Thanks a lot for watching our video and please do subscribe it, like it and share it. Don't forget it and do study also.